Hi guys, in this lab I'm going to copy files from my data lake resource to my Synapse resource, to my dedicated SQL pool through the Azure Factory, through the Azure Data Factory. So first I'm going to upload my parquet files. I'm going to create the respective directory, and here I'm going to upload my parquet files. This is going to be 3 parquet files. I'm going to hit here to select the files, and I'm going to select 3 parquet files. I'm going to upload these files to my data lake resource, and I'm going to my data factory resource. I'm going to hit ingest. I'm going to create a built-in copy tags to run once. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to select I'm going to make a new connection to my data lake into resource. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to select my subscription. I'm going to test the connection. I'm going to hit here and create. I made that before, so I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to choose from here, and I'm going to browse for the data folder to the route and to the parquet file. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to unselect recursively, and I'm going to hit edit. So I'm going to hit next. Here I'm going to select the parquet format. You can preview the data here, all the columns. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to specify the destination data store. So I'm going to select my Synapse resource. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to select the subscription, the name of the server, the name of the database. Here is my SQL pool. I'm going to specify the authentication. You can copy from here, from the overview tab in the SQL pool, in the Synapse workspace. So I'm going to paste here. I'm going to put the password, and I'm going to test the connection. You can see here that it's successful. I'm going to hit create. Okay, so here I made a connection previously to my SQL pool. I created this table before. I'm going to see if it's populated. It's empty. You can see here. It's why over there. And I'm going to populate this table with the parquet file. So I'm going to hit in use existing table, and I'm going to select the name of the table. I'm going to hit next. This is the column mapping. You can see here all the columns. The parquet file, it has the type of the column implicit in the format. I'm going to hit next. You can give it a name here in the tax name. I'm going to use Polybase. I'm going to enable staging. I need to select here my data lake resource. I'm going to hit next. I need to disable the type conversion because it's going to throw an error. Let me check one more time. The time, yes, it's implicit because the parquet file format. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to hit next, and everything is okay. I'm going to hit next. It's in progress. It's validating to see. I'm going to hit finish. So here you can see all the parameters that we defined previously: the source, the destination, the mapping, and you can see here I'm going to trigger this pipeline. So I'm going to go to monitor tab, and we are going to see if, here you go. You can see all the data from the parquet file into the SQL pool in the Synapse result. So it's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.